interesting day so far. It's been kind of sort of a relaxing morning. Seeing as how I didn't have to be anywhere, except I had to be up to get on the load board, which I did. But it was a while before I actually booked a load, or could find one to book, worth booking. It's not even what I wanted to do at all. But I'm not gonna hang out waiting for the perfect load. I need to get moving. But even that means that I'm not picking up this load till tomorrow. So I kind of sort of have the day off, except I've actually got to relocate the rest of the way back down to Denver, specifically Commerce City. I'm going to the TA down in Commerce City. That's 30 miles. So, yeah, I want to get down there early enough to get a parking spot. I mean, as it sits, we won't even get there till 1:30, and what I need to do is go to Walmart. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll be rolling out here in just a few minutes. Well, you know what, let me tell you about this load. It's got 2 pickups. Pickup number 1 is in Denver. At a place I'm pretty sure I've been to before. And these are live loads. It's not drop and hook. Pickup number 2 is up the road in Henderson, which is on the other side of Commerce City from Denver. Not very far at all. Just 15-20 minutes drive. Then after we do that live load, then we're out of here. So we'll head out. And then where we're headed is Utah. Grantsville, Utah, which is the other side of Salt Lake City from here. So it's a place that I've been to many, many times. So we'll get rolling here in a minute, and we'll head on down to Commerce City. All right, let's get going. Yeah, there's a Starbucks right next door in this little strip mall, or whatever you call it, shopping plaza. And while I was walking into the Starbucks, I noticed that next door, or a couple doors down, was a sandwich shop. You know, one of them little trendy sandwich shops. Anyway, I walked in there, and it's a soup and sandwich shop. And they had, I don't remember the name of it, so I can't tell you. They had like 12 different soups. And they give you free, just the little cups you can take little samples of. So that was kind of nice. Sampled a couple of them, went with the first one that I tried. And, got a half sandwich. And it was really good. The soup and the sandwich. Oh, I could have gone twice the way this guy's going. Okay. Oh, look at those mountains. Actually a little warm. It's like 52. Anyway, got to, Starbucks coffee, and I sat down, had soup and sandwich. That's pretty good. Handy little place to stop. We're at the TA, waiting at the fuel islands. We've been over 20 minutes and haven't moved. I just don't even know what's up. But I'm about ready to change lanes. We've got 2 fuel islands blocked off for doing some work over there. The one I'm in here hasn't moved. The guy in front of me is not fueling. And the guy in front of him hasn't moved. You know what? I knew these would come in handy. Oh.
303-731.
Now I know why. The fuel pump's not working. We just parked here. I just noticed that the fuel pump handle has red plastic on it. That's why I whipped out the binoculars to confirm that. Yeah. 20 minutes been sitting here for nothing. Oh, glad I have these binoculars. I think that's probably the first time I've used them since I put them in the truck. You know, I put these in the truck because I do like to go places, you know, scenic areas and look. I guess I've used them a couple of times. Anyway, but also because there's times when you're looking for an address, and you know, in a big truck you just can't be turning around or anything. You want to make sure before you maybe go down the street or something that you're going down the right thing. So that's why I put these in the truck, but I've never used them for that purpose. Usually I just forget about them. But it came in handy that time. Okay, now we're waiting here. Not moving, but at least we will move. Well, we finally got through the fuel island. And then I had a faux pas. I dialed up for fuel and DEF, you know, DEF, diesel exhaust fluid. I got so wrapped up in thought, you know, I got the fuel going, and then I came over here and I only fueled up on one side because I only wanted 60 gallons. Anyway, I come over this side and I'm cleaning Kitty's litter box, and I get done with that, put it back, and I come back and I see, oh crap, I'm already over 80 gallons. So I rush to stop that, put the nozzle back in, and pull forward. I go in to get my fuel receipt. While I'm standing in line to get a fuel receipt, some guy taps me on the shoulder and says, are you Schneider? I'm like, yeah. He goes, I don't think you got your DEF. I can't get fuel. The fuel pump didn't complete the cycle. So it couldn't move forward. He couldn't get fuel. Well, it timed out, so he was able to get fuel. But it was kind of a hassle for him. He had to come in and chase me down. Good thing I wasn't, you know, tied up in the bathroom or something. So, fun times. Anyway, so I didn't get DEF. I mean, I got enough. till the next time I get fuel. But still, you should always put def in, just about always. Okay, the other thing I was going to mention is there's no parking except for paid reserve parking. That's all that's available. So I'm going to have to pay to park here, which really sucks, because that wasn't on the agenda. And I'm not going to go somewhere else because I just got fuel here so I could catch a shower. So that's what we're going to do in a little bit. Anyway, crazy stuff. Check out all the antelope. Hope you can see them over there on the left. There's some nice looking critters. Let's see if there's any more. Nope. I don't see any more. GoPro, stop recording.